Let's start, shall we? Okay.
Hi, today we will show you how to put this bed together. We started with the head and the foot and the rails and the slats and the shoes and the central rail and all the tools you need, well, one tool and all the hardware you need, and we put it together and it'll look like this. Right? Easy.
How long should it take?
Should take maybe about 15 minutes. Simmy has not put one together before, so...
Hey, Simmy.
Hey, which is great because we're going to do it together. Right, so what do we need? Well, we need to check in your pack when you get your bed delivered that you have everything. So we're going to have 8 dowels, 4 bolts, 4 washers, a 3/8 imperial spanner, and the instructions. There are the shoes, 64 of them, and the slats, 32, which are here. Alrighty, the easiest way, in my opinion, is to have the headboard on a blanket or on the floor, and let's get going. Okay. So first of all, we need to put the bolt in, and the easiest way to know how deep to screw this bolt in is using the dowel. So we go up as far as the dowel because we don't want it to go through to the back. Okay, that's in enough. That's in enough. Next thing is to put the dowels in. Thank you, that's correct. And I'll just get the other dowel.
Gosh, you're quick, Simmy.
Ta-da! Okay, so this side rail slides in very easily, especially if your assistant can just lean the headboard a little.
Oh, cool.
The slide goes in, or the washer, if you like to call it. Stay in there. And then we just tighten this up. Okay, so that will fit like a glove. There we go. We want to put the washer in, and again, go clockwise. Sometimes it can be a little tricky just to get in there, but you don't need many turns.
Half moon spreads the load of the washer.
That's good to know. Once the bed's all together.
What are we up to?
Okay, we're up to putting the central rail in now. And again, this has got a head and a foot.
What does the central rail do?
It supports the flexible slat system. Normally we will have already put these middle shoes in for you.
What's that for?
That is the H4 headboard. So, around this way, and very carefully slot it in. Simmy, would you like to help?
Sure.
Done. How do we know which side the slats go around?
Well, Simmy, if you want to sleep in a dip, put them upside down.
I see. The curve goes at the top. That's what we do. I'll just put them all in this. Okay, last but not least, we're going to put the shoes in.
Where do the shoes go?
The shoes go like this, the end of the slat.
Yeah.
Then you push down.
Oh, is there a hole on the other side of it?
There is a hole in the side rail.
Okay. So, do the shoes fit in the hole, or
They do fit into the hole.
you're pushing them in?
Yes.
Okay.
Sometimes they need a little bit of a nudge. The shoe goes into this hole like this, and it will just press down. How are you finding it, Silly?
Oh, it seems to be pretty easy, thank you.
Sometimes if they're a little firm, if you push down on the middle of the slat, it will help them go in. Just in here.
Why's that?
Just spreads the balance. I was going to say spreads the love.